Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the SG Bus Timing, Singapore Bus Arrival Times, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. SG Bus Timing is a public transit utility app designed to help commuters check accurate, real-time bus arrival information across Singapore. The app provides ETAs for services operated by SBS Transit, SMRT, Go Ahead, and Tower Transit, offering live updates directly sourced from the Land Transport Authority's data. It is available on both iOS and Android and gives users quick access to stop information, route details, bus capacities, and favorites management for frequently used services. The app's main feature is its real-time arrival interface. Users can search for any bus stop or service, view upcoming arrival times for multiple buses, and check loading indicators such as seats available, standing available, or limited standing. It also offers route maps, nearby stop detection, and quick bookmarking for faster daily use. The app updates continuously in the background to provide the most current arrival predictions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accuracy, fast refresh rate, and reliable integration with Singapore's public transit data. The simple interface makes it easy to check buses on the go, especially during peak travel hours. Features like bus load indicators and nearby stop suggestions make commuting more predictable and convenient. However, there are some drawbacks. Arrival times can vary during heavy traffic or rainy weather, and occasional delays in data refresh may affect the precision of predicted ETAs. Some users also note that certain stops may temporarily show incomplete information depending on LTA's live data availability. Additionally, the app requires location permissions to provide nearby stop data, which may not appeal to privacy-conscious users. In summary, the SG Bus Timing app may be worth using if you want fast, reliable bus arrival information, accurate capacity indicators, and a simple tool to plan daily commuting in Singapore. However, if you prefer offline schedules or do not rely on buses frequently, the app might feel less essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.